गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। अभी बज रहा है 9 ओके इन द मॉर्निंग। एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट समथिंग रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एट दिस टाइम। इट्स अबाउट आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हाउ यू शुड ट्रैवल बाय एयर, व्हाट आर द गाइडलाइंस दैट यू शुड फॉलो सो दैट यू विल नॉट बी इम्पैक्टेड बाय कोरोना। ओके, these all are the things I will be discussing in this video. And now the travel guidelines has also changed, so there are few things that you should know while you are traveling. Recently I have traveled from Pune, Maharashtra to Assam, and I have done my swab test also, and my test results are negative. So I guess if you follow all the steps that I have followed, so I guess you will also not be impacted by corona. So the first and the foremost thing what you should do is you should do a web check-in before 48 hours of your flight departure to 6 hours. Okay, the duration should be from 48 hours to 6 hours before your flight departure. That web check-in is very mandatory, because without having the web check-in you will not be allowed inside the airport. Okay, web check-in is very very important. Web check-in you can do from the site from where you have booked your flight, or you can also go to the respected flights site. Like if you have booked an Indigo, you can go to the Indigo site or Indigo app, and then you can do your web check-in. So with web check-in you should also do the baggage counter. Okay, the baggage tag, this is the baggage tag. So bag tag, there are some procedures how you should fold it. You should fold it in four folds. It will be written in the bag tag. Okay, you should fold it and you should keep it with you. They will be giving you the bag tag, but you should keep it for your safety, and you should read whatever are the instructions that has been written in the site from where you have booked your flight. Okay, suppose if you have used Exigo, you should read the instructions what all are there. There is a self declaration form also. You should also keep that form with you. Okay, and with it you should also get your boarding passes printed. Okay, boarding passes will be printed, but if there are any updates, so they will be giving you the boarding passes, so it's not a problem. The ticket also you should keep it with you. Okay, the second most important thing, with all the things that you have kept, all the documents that you have kept, and also read the state-wise travel guidelines. Okay, what will be your destination, the destination, the state-wise travel guidelines are present in the app, so you should go and check with the app whatever from which app you have booked your flight. Okay, it is written, so read it thoroughly. So you should get a knowledge beforehand, like what all are the instructions that will be followed in the destination where you will be going. Okay, so this is very very important. And with it, the most important thing you should have is, the second most important thing that you should have is the Arogya Setu app. You should be The app should be there in your phone, and it should be active. Okay, it should be showing a status of active, like it's showing here. I'm showing you. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, one more thing you should keep in your mind is that the bag levels. Okay, so there are some luggage informations in your luggage. Whatever luggage you are carrying, you should fill up a form and you should paste it. The form is over here, you can see. So in this form you should fill up the form, and you should print it, and you should paste it in the luggage wherever. One more thing is very very important, that is how you are traveling from your home to the airport. Okay, suppose if you are relying on Ola or Uber, whatever it is, suppose if your flight is in the at night, suppose my flight was in the morning, early morning, 6 a.m. So at that time there were no cab availabilities. Okay, yes, there was no cab availabilities. Ola was not able to give me the cab at that time. Okay, so I was lucky enough, because I had already contacted two of the personal drivers before, that if I will not get a Ola cab, then please come. I will be giving you informations by, I will inform you by 1 a.m at night, because it takes around 1 hour to reach the airport from my place. Okay, so these things you should always keep in your mind, that do keep some contacts of some drivers, so that they will help you in sending you to the airport. Okay, this is very very important. Okay, after that, when you reach the airport, whatever things you should keep is your mask. You should always wear your mask. It is very very important. Sanitizer, which is very very, without mask and sanitizer they will not, mask and hand gloves actually, they will not allow you inside the airport. Once you are inside the airport, do the baggage check-in. You can drop the baggage in the check-in. There are like 15 to 20 kilos they will be giving you. It will depend upon the flight where you are. Once you reach the airport and your baggage check-in is done, then you can take the updated boarding passes. which I have taken. Then you just go to the security check-in. Okay, once the security check-in is done, okay, the bag, most important thing is the handbag that you are carrying, the space, it should fit the space, so do not carry a very large bag, they will not allow you. Okay, if the handbag, it should be kept inside the space, just in front of you. But the other leg room spaces that is present, you should keep the hand baggages there only, so the hand baggage should be fitted in that space. Okay, so once you do your security check-in, they will be giving you a kit like this, and you have to wear it like this. Okay, this is very important. So once it is given, like, it will be having a face mask, it will be having some sanitizers. So if you already have yours, then you wear your mask. Better you wear N95 mask, it will be more preferable, and wear the seal before you go. Like now, if you are having the middle seat, then they will be giving you a kit. The kit, you have to wear it like this. Do not think of not wearing it, because it is very, very important. It is the guidelines that you should follow. You will be in contact with two persons sitting over here, so you should be wearing the white color apron or whatever the kit they are providing. You should wear it. Very, very important. Once you reach your destination, there are certain guidelines that you should follow. It depends upon state to state. So they will be, after you reach your destination, they will be taking a thermal check-in, like whatever is your temperature, and thermal check-in will be taken at the beginning also when you enter the airport. Okay, so once you reach your destination, they will be taking your thermal check-in, like what's your body temperature, if it is normal or not. Afterwards, they will be sending you to your destination. You have to fill up certain forms, or they will be taking you to the nearest quarantine center or the test zones where you will be, there will be swab tests. It definitely varies from state to state. Okay, after that, you have to do your quarantine, like whether it is a self quarantine or institution quarantine, you have to do it as per the state norms. Read the state norms very carefully. So after your quarantine, like if you are having a institutional quarantine, after that you have to do a home quarantine. Now when you are reaching your home, don't forget that your parents are at high risk. Okay, if your parents whose age is from above 50 or 55, they are at high risk, so do not risk their life. Okay, so do the home quarantine properly. Okay, do not keep in contact with your parents and all. Okay, after that only, once everything is normal, you have no body temperature, nothing is there, your test results are normal, after that you can have a normal life after that. So what's the most important point that I want to share in this video is, you should not fear about getting positive in corona or not. What we have in our hand is the precautions. Once you wear the gloves, try to sanitize it as much times as you can. Keep a sanitizer bottle with you. You should always carry a sanitizer. You should always sanitize it, because you don't know when there will be itching in your face and you will touch your face. Before touching your face, always sanitize your hands. If you follow all these guidelines that I have told you, there will be no problem in traveling from one state to another. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my vlog. I normally post on vlogs on traveling and bikes. So if you like the video, do give a thumbs up to this video and share this video to your friends, so that they will also be benefited from this video. And thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if this video is informative in any way. Thank you so much.